Joy to the world, hymns to rejoice this Christmas season. Christmas is here, and what better way to celebrate Christmas than with songs that fill our hearts with joy and gratitude? Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Timeless Hymns and Worship. I am Marian Mkheti, your host on these epic episodes of Timeless Hymns and Worship vlogs. Today we are diving into the hymns that truly brings families together this season of Christmas. Hymns that remind us of the hope and love of Christmas that it brings to us as human beings. So stick around, man, because I promise you will live with a playlist that will make this holiday even more special. Now, why do we have joyful hymns matter? In fact, why do we have hymns that we sing during Christmas? Christmas is more than just gifts and decorations. It's a time to rejoice with Jesus Christ, our Savior. Hymns like Joy to the World are not just songs. They are declaration of faith and celebration. These hymns connect us with the deeper meaning of Christmas and reminding us the joy that we have in Jesus Christ. Have you ever noticed how music has the power to bring people together? I mean, whenever there is a funeral, there is music that is being sung. Whenever there is a celebration or an event, we know that we are going to listen to beautiful melodies. It doesn't matter which genre it is, but we are going to listen to music when we go to events, when we go to weddings, when we go to events and many other ceremonies that bring people together. We know that even if it is just a mere meeting, the first thing that we are going to start with is a hymn. So, have you ever noticed how music has the power of bringing people together? So singing hymns, especially Christmas ones, as a family or as a community, creates moments that last a lifetime. Now, let us learn about the story behind Joy to the World. So, Joy to the World, did you know that this hymn was not originally written for Christmas? I'm sure many people didn't know. I myself didn't know this until I was doing research for this content. So Isaac Watts, the writer, intended it as a celebration of Christ's second coming. I will repeat. The writer of Joy to the World is Isaac Watts. And the intention of writing this hymn was for the celebration of the second coming of Christ. Yet today, it perfectly captures the joy we feel during the holiday season. The hymn is based on Psalms 98. In Sesotho we call Pesalema. This hymn is based on Pesalema 98, which calls on all creation to make a joyful noise to the Lord. It's a powerful reminder that Christmas is a global celebration, not just for people, but for all creation. When we talk about all creation, we are talking about Basotho, South Africans, Nigerians, Americans, Australians, and many other tribes and many other nations out there in the world. So now let's dive into some of the other hymns that will fill your home with joy this Christmas. Whether you are decorating the tree, whether you are baking cookies, or whether you are just simply reflecting on the season, the following songs are perfect for every moment, man. Now, let's keep the drum roll running. The first hymn, Hark the Herald Angel Sings. This hymn bursts with joy as it tells of the angels proclaiming Christ's birth. The line, "Glory to the newborn King," says it all. The second one is, "Oh come, all you beauty, all you faithful." An invitation for all of us to come and worship. It's perfect for opening your Christmas. The third hymn, "Angels we have heard on high." Who doesn't love that soaring Gloria? This hymn makes your heart feel like it's ascending to heaven. The fourth one is the first Noel. I'm not sure if I am pronouncing this word correctly, but the fourth hymn is the first Noel, a gentle yet uplifting retelling of the nativity story. This hymn never fails to bring smiles to faces. The fifth one is "Go Tell It on the Mountain." This hymn has a rhythm and energy that feels like pure celebration. It's all about spreading the good news. The sixth one is "Oh Holy Night." The emotion and the beauty of this hymn captures the reference of Christmas like no other. The seventh one, "We Three Kings." This is a journey with the Magi. This hymn reminds us of the gifts we bring honor to Christ. The eighth one, "What Child Is This?" Set to the hauntingly beautiful tune of Greensleeve. This hymn is both reflective and joyous. The ninth one, "It Came Upon the Midnight Clear." It is a hymn that blends peace and joy, perfect for quieter moments of the season. And the last one, which is "Joy to the World." And of course, we cycle back to where we started. The hymn ties it all together, a joyful proclamation that Jesus is here. So now let's move on. How to use these hymns this Christmas. So how can you make these hymns part of your Christmas celebration? Here are a few ideas. One, you can create a family carolite night, grab some hot cocoa, and sing together around the tree. Two, play these hymns softly in the background during your Christmas. Then dine for a peaceful atmosphere. Three, use them as you can use them for a special Christmas devotion, reflecting on their lyrics and their meaning. No matter how you use them, these hymns are sure to bring your family closer to each other and to the true meaning of Christmas. Now, we are about to wrap up the video. So, as we wrap up, I would love to know, what is your favorite Christmas hymn? Share it in the comments below, man. And if you find something that is inspiring in the list, give the video, man, a thumbs up, man. Because when you share it with your family and your friends, you are helping us to grow our community. So let's make this Christmas a season of joy and gratitude as we sing these hymns from Timeless Hymns and Worship. For the last time, man, could you please, man, enjoy this Christmas responsibly, because I don't want to hear stories of people ending up in jail, ending up having involved in accidents that could be avoided, man. Above all, put Christ before you. Until next time, Merry Christmas. Merry, Merry, Merry Christmas. Bye-bye.